Hello, I'm Vondi Kirby. Earlier today, I had a question from a client, and I thought it was something that we really should cover. In the United States, we're a democracy, as you obviously know. It appears, as far as the media is concerned, that we are constantly in an election cycle. So it's important to understand as a green card holder what you can and cannot do. Frequently I tell my clients that really as a green card holder you can do almost everything that a citizen can do except vote in an election. It's very important though that you don't make a mistake and go too far in your activities in the United States. You can canvass door to door, you can support your favorite candidate, but you cannot register to vote. If you take that action, you are jeopardizing your green card. And it doesn't mean that you have to actually vote. It means that actually you present yourself as an American citizen. And this is a violation of the terms of your green card, and also a violation that could affect you later if you want to become a citizen. So be involved in the civic process, absolutely be involved in the election, but don't make the mistake of registering to vote. I hope this helps you and you won't make that mistake.